Tactical jackets are purpose-built outerwear designed for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts who demand durability, functionality, and adaptability. These rugged garments feature intelligent design elements, multiple pockets, and weather-resistant materials, making them ideal for law enforcement, military use, and various outdoor activities. Explore the world of tactical jackets for ultimate performance and protection. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 8. Vertx Leaf Cold WX Hoodie LT Men's Gen 2. The pinnacle of performance and protection in harsh environments. This hoodie is meticulously engineered for those who demand the very best in tactical outerwear. Its second-generation design takes excellence to new heights, featuring advanced materials and construction techniques. Crafted with Vertx INFINIU fabric, it's windproof, breathable, and exceptionally water-resistant, ensuring you stay comfortable and focused in the most challenging conditions. The Cold WX Hoodie LT is packed with features, including a low-profile balaclava, strategic pockets, and enhanced durability in high-wear areas. Whether you're on a mission, battling the elements, or simply exploring the outdoors, this hoodie is your ultimate companion. Number 7. Agilite Battle Element Tactical Jacket. The epitome of cutting-edge innovation in tactical outerwear. This jacket is designed to equip modern warriors with the ultimate advantage in the field. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, the battle element is constructed from high-performance materials that offer durability and versatility. Its innovative design includes features such as a removable hood, ample storage options, and an ergonomic fit that allows for unrestricted movement. Whether you're on a mission, facing the elements, or navigating challenging terrains, this jacket offers the protection and adaptability needed to excel. With the Agilite Battle Element Tactical Jacket, you're not just wearing gear, you're wearing confidence. Number 6. Outdoor Research Infiltrator Jacket. The pinnacle of outdoor performance and protection. This jacket is meticulously designed for adventurers who demand the best in all-weather gear. Crafted with precision, it features Vertx fabric technology, providing unparalleled waterproof and breathable capabilities. Whether you're facing a torrential downpour or braving harsh winds, the Infiltrator jacket keeps you dry and comfortable. Its innovative design includes features like seamless shoulders for backpack compatibility, multiple pockets, and a helmet-compatible hood, making it the perfect choice for climbers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With the Outdoor Research Infiltrator jacket, you're ready to conquer any adventure, no matter the conditions. Number 5. UF Pro Delta All 3.0 Jacket. The ultimate outer layer for those who demand peak performance and versatility. This jacket is engineered to excel in the harshest conditions, offering a balance of functionality, durability, and comfort that sets it apart. Crafted with precision, it features advanced materials that provide exceptional weather protection while maintaining breathability. Whether you're navigating tactical missions, facing the elements on an outdoor adventure, or simply needing a reliable everyday jacket, the Delta All 3.0 delivers. Its thoughtful design includes reinforced areas for added durability, multiple pockets for convenient storage, and an ergonomic fit for unrestricted movement. With the UF Pro Delta All 3.0 jacket, you're equipped to conquer any challenge, redefine your limits, and excel in your pursuits. Elevate your tactical readiness and outdoor experiences with the Delta All 3.0 jacket, the choice of those who demand the best. Number 4. 5.11 Tactical Sabre 2.0 Waterproof Jacket. The pinnacle of performance in tactical outerwear. Crafted for those who demand excellence in every mission, this jacket is designed to be your ultimate ally in the field. Built with precision and attention to detail, it features a waterproof and breathable outer shell that ensures you stay dry and comfortable in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're on a covered operation, braving the elements, or simply seeking rugged yet stylish outerwear, the Sabre 2.0 delivers. With features like concealed document pockets, a removable hood, and seam-sealed construction, this jacket combines functionality with modern design. Elevate your tactical readiness and excel in your missions with the 5.11 Tactical Sabre 2.0 waterproof jacket. Dominate every environment, stay agile, and redefine your limits with the ultimate tactical companion. Number 3. Condor Summit Softshell Jacket. The embodiment of versatility and performance in outdoor apparel. Crafted for adventurers, hikers, and tactical enthusiasts, this jacket is designed to excel in a range of environments. With its durable and water-resistant fabric, it keeps you dry and comfortable in unpredictable weather, making it the ideal choice for your outdoor adventures. The Condor Summit's thoughtful design includes multiple pockets for convenient storage, reinforced elbows for enhanced durability, and a fitted ergonomic profile for maximum mobility. Whether you're facing challenging terrains or seeking an everyday jacket that combines style with functionality, the Condor Summit Softshell jacket has you covered. Elevate your outdoor experience, conquer the elements, and redefine what's possible with this exceptional piece of gear. Dominate your mission, stay prepared, and explore without limits. Number 2. 5.11 Tactical Men's Taclite M65 Field Jacket. The epitome of performance and adaptability in outdoor and tactical wear. This jacket is designed to meet the demands of modern adventurers and professionals alike. Crafted with precision, it combines rugged durability with lightweight comfort, making it ideal for a variety of outdoor pursuits. Whether you're in the field, on a mission, or simply seeking reliable outerwear for everyday use, the Taclite M65 delivers. With features such as a stowable hood, ample storage pockets, and a Teflon finish for enhanced resistance against stains and moisture, this jacket is the ultimate choice for those who require the best. Elevate your outdoor experience, conquer any challenge, and redefine your limits with the 5.11 Tactical Men's Taclite M65 Field Jacket. Dominate your mission, stay prepared, and explore without boundaries. Number 1. Vertx Men's Urban Discipline Jacket. A fusion of style and function for the modern urban explorer. This jacket is meticulously crafted to meet the demands of everyday life while maintaining a sleek and versatile design. With its innovative materials and construction, it offers weather resistance and durability, ensuring you stay comfortable in any environment. The Urban Discipline Jacket's thoughtful design includes features like concealed carry compatibility, discreet pockets, and an ergonomic fit for unhindered movement. Whether you're navigating city streets, facing unexpected weather, or simply seeking a jacket that effortlessly blends urban style with tactical functionality, this jacket delivers. Elevate your everyday experience, stay prepared for any situation, and redefine your limits with the Vertx Men's Urban Discipline Jacket.